There is a lot to talk about in the precious metals on Friday afternoon in London, with gold last at about $1,300 per ounce or just above. The metal had a very interesting week. I saw a bit of a roller coaster, started above $1,335 per ounce, near $1,340 per ounce, but on Tuesday came crashing down after Federal Reserve Chairwoman Janet Yellen delivered a much more hawkish view of the US economy than many had expected. However, Wednesday's testimony was not read as hawkish as Tuesday's, so the metal traded sideways throughout Wednesday. By Thursday, however, there was a plane, Malaysian Airlines plane, that was shot down apparently over eastern Ukraine, and this sent gold flying higher again, climbing as high as $1,325 per ounce. However, follow-through buying has been limited, and by Friday it retreated again to the levels where we are now. Looking at the rest of the precious metals complex, palladium's perhaps the most interesting. It was approaching $900 earlier in the week. Analysts are saying it's looking slightly overcooked, but then again, the trouble in Russia may just be supportive of the metal. Russia is a big supplier, and there's been a threat and even some sanctions against the country, although palladium exports so far are not affected yet. This is Eddie van der Walt signing off for the Bullion Desk.